Hello, trading is closed on August the 6th, 2018. Over the weekend, we had a target of 28.35.35, thought it might not print. Futures hit a low of 28.35. It's right on the mark, but it doesn't satisfy the target till the numbers seen in regular trading hours. We did come close, 28.35.98, but that's not within the tolerance, so the target did not print within its preferred time frame, and we added it to the list. We said the pattern should have an early high and a late high, which it did. Says it has a tendency to rally into the close. We didn't see that. In fact, despite rallying all day, we couldn't clear these middle of the day highs. It's negative unless we clear them early, ideally by gapping over them. Chances are pretty good that'll happen because 95% of the time, 28.53.05 should print, and that's my call. We did have resistance at 28.53.53. High of the day was 28.53.29. It's close enough for me. Resistance can go past the line. We're also at resistance from the upper Bollinger Band. Doesn't mean we won't go a bit higher. Just as a warning, we're in kind of rarefied air here. We have completed bar 13, since these count of a combo sell. Made a mistake in my counting. We're on number 9 of the sequential. During the day, MEJT gave a buy. Doesn't always call the next move. Here we dropped first, but certainly we got the buy. Here it gave a sell. It isn't always the next move, but this time it was. Here's my target for tomorrow. We have penciled in a high for this leg under the old high and 317 points over this line. It's really cutting it close. We could hit it as early as Friday, but I suspect that won't happen until next week or perhaps the week after. Because I've penciled it in, I reserve the right to change my mind, but have no reason to do it at this time. Call for tomorrow with 95% chance that this prints, but if we don't clear this early, lower prices come. Pattern should have an early high, but often it can be irregular and hard to recognize. That's today's call.